How to delete your AMC Plus account permanently. So in here, the very first thing that you want to do is determine if you are billed through AMC directly or like through your Apple or Amazon or Roku account. So after determining that, you can now cancel through your receptive billing providers subscription settings on their own. So after like successfully canceling the subscriptions, there's basically no more steps further that you need to do. So if billed directly, contact AMC Plus support to request the permanent profile removal. You can get to their support line through any sort of browser. All you need to do is simply Google it, or you can like simply browse to any browser. Simply write down AMC Plus customer service, and that's all you need to do. From there, you will actually be able to like simply contact them and then tell them to delete your account permanently. And they might give you the further prompt. Simply follow it, and that's it. So if you guys do have any further queries, please let me know in the comment section down below, and that will be it for this video.